Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some other important question in the business service chapter. The question number first, the owner of Rakhi Fertilizer Mohan Das opened a current account in the Punjab National Bank. The customer can often withdraw money from the current account only up to the amount deposit in it. One day he need money more than the amount deposit in the account. He was worried about how to arrange the money. He needed this amount for about a day or two. One of his friends told him that the customer having a current account in the bank can get permissions to withdraw money more than the amount deposit after making agreement with the bank. Identify this facility provided by the bank explained with the example. The answer is the name of these facilities provided by the bank is overdraft. The customer who maintain the current account with the bank take permission from the bank to withdraw more amount than deposit in his account. The extra money withdrawal is called overdraft. This facility is available to trustworthy customer for a small period. For instance, if he an individual account is 5 lakh deposit, then bank allowed him to issue a check of 6 lakh, then 1 lakh is overdraft facilities. Next, how is principle of indemnity related to the insurance contract? The principle of applicable to all the insurance contract except the life insurance contract. Contract of indemnity except the life insurance contract. All the other type of insurance contract are contract of indemnity. These contracts are fire insurance, marriage insurance, theft insurance, etc. Under such contract, the issued persons pay premium to the insurance company, and his insurance company take the responsibility of compensating the insured if he suffer any loss on the insured property. These contracts are such where the actual loss can be calculated and compensation can be taken from the insurance company. For instance, person get his house insured for 1 lakh. After some time his house get damaged due to the fire. There is loss is 50,000. The person will receive 50,000 from the insurance company. Next, Rajesh goes to State Bank of India to open his account there. On visiting the bank, he learned that there is a some account available which is better than the saving account. The specialty of this account is that when the deposit amount is the account exceed a certain amount, the amount excess get transferred into the fixed deposit. The interest earned on the fixed deposit is more than the saving account. This account serve the purpose of both saving account and fixed deposit. Rajesh get this account open. Identify this account and explain it. The name of this account is multiple option deposit account MOD. It is a type of saving bank account in which deposit excess of particular limit get automatically transformed into the fixed deposit and term deposit. On the other hand, in case adequate fund is not available in a saving account so as to honor a check that we have issued, the required amount get automatically transformed from the fixed deposit and term deposit to the saving bank account. The balance amount continue as a fixed deposit and earn interest from the fixed deposit account than from the saving bank account. Therefore, the account holder can twin between benefit from this account. He can earn more interest and it lower the risk of dishonoring a check. Next question, your friend Akash has got a plastic card and given him the facility of buying and good immediately without a cash. This amount of cash will he deposit on the future date in that every very bank issued the card to him. Identify this card and describe it. The answer is the name of this card is credit card. A bank issue credit card to those of its customer who enjoy good reputation. It is not necessary that the customer should have money in the bank in order to get a credit card. This is sort of overdraft facility. With the help of this card, the holder can buy goods or obtain service. The name of issuing bank, the name of the holder, his her identity along with the date of validity are inscribed on the credit card, and the credit card holder keep depositing the money used according to the agreement with the bank.